The Energy Regulatory Commission approves the retail tariffs for the next tariff control period as follows. The overall unit cost of power will reduce from 17.77 per kilowatt hour, that was in the financial year 2017-18, to 16.64 per kilowatt hour in 2018-19, representing an overall reduction of costs of about 6% over the tariff control period. So generally, when you look across board, all the categories, from the commercial industrial, the domestic category, the small commercial, and of course the street lighting, we are having an over 6% reduction in the overall cost of power. The lifeline tariff, which is meant to cushion the low-income households, who at the moment constitute about 3.6 million of Kenya Power's customers, will reduce by 36%. The commercial industrial customers, on average, will get a reduction of about 4.4%. We have the commercial industrial from category 1 up to category 5. The average reduction is about 4.4%. This is in addition to the 50% discount in the time of use tariff and the proposed special economic zone tariff. The commercial industrial customers, the manufacturers, will continue enjoying the time of use tariff at 50% of the energy charge. That will be retained, and we have made it more better for them to enjoy during off-peak.